Can you tell the people what you're doing?
We're sanding down the doors. I'm working on the inside first. That way, I don't leave it exposed and I can just epoxy prime it, and then I'll work on the inside tomorrow.
Okay, okay, we see you.
Try